Low-key on my own, bruh. I've been spending time with the spirits and the souls, yup. Like a statue made of gold. You look up at me and see me shining bold. What? Yeah, this audio is dope, cuz I be like Buzz Lightyear to infinity, I float up. I go beyond places we know of. Different dimensions I enter and I explore them. Like Albert Hoffman. Connected with the black sun, the dark one. The evil flows and then I turn it to love. I have the magic touch, wizard blood inside of my heart and my lungs. Things filling up, the power is building up. I am the one that you wanna be like. I have connections to all the gods in history. I move so damn effortlessly, I'm floating in this breeze, guy. My soul shines, elevates minds, leading folks to divine insights of the mind. Strictly kicking rhymes on these 16s. Remember back when I was 15, that's when depression came to hit me. Took me through a journey that I didn't know would lift me up. Show me how to live better than was brought up. Taught me how to not give a fuck, stand it up for myself no matter how tough. Do you really think that I actually give a fuck? Do you really think I'll hesitate to fuck you up? Nope, can't say shit to me when you pulling up. You can bring your guns, bitch, and I'ma bring the love, yup. This life we live is full of danger, trying to drain your inner energy, fill you up with the anger. Just brush it off, it's part of nature. Don't forget that most these people talking shit, they fakers. Yup, that's why I move so damn swiftly. I guess these people haven't realized I'm blessed by my history. I've been around for millennia, ancient soul from the city. Toronto I was born in, but my soul is infinity. Like the Holy Trinity, by design, the one God within me. I'm like an angel, I've been spreading love right from the beginning, from birth. See, I was sent here for a reason, ho. They chose me to do their bidding, spread the universal flow. Help them reach the goal, elevated souls raising up the globe. Talking indigo crystal kids and those star seeds that came here to show. Those people who been lost and alone, no home to go, to feel okay, just lost with no happiness inside. I'm here to show them the light, try to help them to grow. So I spread the love through these dang flows, trying to give you some bangers so you can jam. Don't ever underestimate my creativity. My inner spirit gifted me to be somebody you can't be. Do you really think that I actually give a fuck? Do you really think I'll hesitate to fuck you up? Nope, can't say shit to me when you pulling up. You can bring your guns, bitch, and I'ma bring the love, yup. This life we live is full of danger, trying to drain your inner energy, fill you up with the anger. Just brush it off, it's part of nature. Don't forget that most these people talking shit, they fakers. It's routine for me to reflect, try to improve me. My mood swings, leave me in a wreck, sometimes I lose me. BPD, I'm talking about that borderline shit. I've been struggling with relating ever since a young kid. I do need to take a second when it all slips. I do feel emotions that switch up with a flick. I do change my mind all the time with lots of shit, but I'm trying to get better, I promise. My mind splits and I become something that they won't mention. As I shift, I lose all connection to mental presence. The feelings inside blow up and I can't mend it. And then I start expressing it out with signs of depression. I do my best to fight it, I'm at a war in a field alone. 89 light years away, I'm cold with nowhere to go. Stuck in dissociation, my focus low. It's like nobody's home. My soul is not inside my dome.